Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya beauty style channel, and today we're gonna talk about Estee Lauder gift with purchase. Yes, it's spring, yes, it's April, and we are gonna have in my store Estee Lauder gift with purchase. From April 18 to May 5th, you have a chance to get these goodies. Yes, it's purchase with purchase. Let's talk first what you're gonna get. You're gonna get this beautiful makeup bag, and believe me not, it's so pretty. I can use this as a clutch. Look at this beautiful, like a pop of color. We have my favorite color here, teal and pink together. It's have here on front Estee Lauder, have little ribbon, bright pink color inside. It's so beautiful. I'm ready for summer. But I believe me not, girls, like right now I have this beautiful pink dress. I will wear this to even restaurant because it's just such a beautiful color. We have two different gifts inside with any, I believe, $39.50, and if you spend $80 you will get one more big gift. Okay, stay here and we're gonna talk what's inside. And you probably wanna know about this lipstick. It's already on my lips. It looks amazing, it feels amazing. It's so hard to find right now, a little bit like a soft pink vibrant color and a little bit like shimmer mixed together, like most like the matte. But let's start. Let's open first one. Okay, I like all Estee Lauder gift have instruction what we have inside. Okay, first, oh my goodness, oh, it makes me so happy. We have here moisture rich cleanser, and look, it's even a little bird here, kakadu, little kakadu it's in here. Oh my god, they went above and beyond. It's a cleanser for normal to dry skin. It's a rich formula. It's a very good hydrating formula. Ooh, a way to go. Oh my god, and it will tell you step by step how to use this gift. You know what, Lancome people, you're missing a lot. I never see anything inside a Lancome gift, and you know, like, I always review Lancome and Estee Lauder and Clinique gifts, but it's the first time. It's instruction here what it does, how to use. Woohoo! Okay, then we have inside eye cream. It's a beautiful for lines and wrinkles eye cream, and it's a revitalized supreme power eye balms. Then we have supreme revitalized supreme moisturizer, and it's a pretty big size here. Also we have a serum here, and you should always use serum first morning and night, and then on top you will put your moisturizer. Then we have a mascara, Subshows Extreme. Look at this huge mascara brush. Let's refresh my little bit lashes. And of course inside you will receive this beautiful lipstick. And you know what, first of all, it's already on me. It's a beautiful spring summer color to me, but look at these details on a lipstick. It's have little palms. Yes, I live in Florida. It's a perfect lipstick. This is its first gift. Again, if you spend $39.50, this can be yours. And you know, I have so many different videos where I'm showing you my favorite products. If you try, it's incredible foundation, Hydra Future moisturizing foundation with 45 SPF, and if you feel like your combination too oily or you need for extreme coverage, double wear, it will be my favorite foundation. This is my favorite foundation, but if you little bit dry, you need to really good hydrate your skin. Okay, it's our first gift. Then we have another one. What else do we have here? Okay, we have on second gift, it's another cleanser, and this will be for all type of skin cleanser. And again, pink, it's more dry. This is for normal skin. Then we have inside serum for the face. Then we have concentrate for the face. Then we have a same mascara and Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. Ooh. And also in this gift we have same lipstick. Again, you have two choices. If you want for dry, you will go with this. If you want more for normal skin, nighttime repair will be a great choice. Or if you want extremely like if you like more silky smooth products, this will be your option. If you want a little bit more creamy, it will be this option. But I also need to talk about advanced night repair. Like we'll say eye cream, some people say, oh, advanced night repair, it's only for night. No, you can use this eye cream morning and night. And again, we have instruction inside telling you step by step of what's inside. And if you spend $80, you will receive full size at night repair eye concentrate. Ooh, I love these products. Again, if you spend $80, you can choose one of this choice or this choice, and you will receive this serum. Okay, it's April 18. I hope to see you in my store in Tampa, Nordstrom. If you can come, yes, reach me. It's free shipping from Nordstrom. I will send you to your home with your gift, and it's free shipping. Okay, guys, love you all. Love you more than ice cream. Reach me again April 18 to make it's your gift with Estee Lauder. But I think it's the most beautiful gift 2021, because you have everything. It's perfect for travel, Lynn. You have everything here for your travel. Or also, if you want to try, that's it. It's a good time to try. Okay, bye everybody. Subscribe, comment below, and give me hands up.